Today, we are gonna do a fun, super fast, and super easy rainbow butterfly. This is an awesome option for the end of the line moments, or a fun design to surprise someone with. With this pandemic around the world, us face painters have a lot of free time. So, what does that mean? Practice, practice, practice. Let's get started.
First, grab your most rainbow-looking split cake and a 3/4 inch brush to draw the rainbow. Start from the middle of the forehead and make sure that it comes to a point at the cheek. Next, with the same brush, pick another color for the butterfly. Here is how we draw the wings. Draw 3 small, thin petals. Once you mastered it, you can do it all in one stroke. Then add pink glitter. Next, with the number 2 brush, outline your butterfly in white. With a number 4 brush, draw 1 swirl on top of the butterfly and 3 teardrops at the top of the forehead. Then add 3 more teardrops on the side of the rainbow. Next, with a number 1 brush, draw the body and the antennas in black. With a number 4 brush, draw 3 teardrops in between the wings in white. And with the same brush, draw tiny dots throughout your design. Then, with the number 1 brush, draw starbursts around your design. And you're pretty much done. But wait, there's more! Glitter time! Here we're using Gold by Pixie glitter. Apply it on the eyelids and around your design. And we're also using Pink by Pixie glitter just to add that extra touch. Yay, you're all done! Give yourself and this video a thumbs up.
We would like to thank all the new subscribers that have joined our channel. We hope that our channel can inspire you and help you be the best face painter you can be. Every week we post fun, fast, easy face painting tutorials, so don't forget to subscribe. And sometimes twice a week we post bonus videos, so make sure to hit the bell to never miss a video. We love seeing you guys recreate our designs. If you post it on social media, please tag us at Radiant Art Inspirations, which I'll put right here. We can't wait to see your progress. See you guys next week. Bye bye!